All right, guys, welcome. I did not want to make a video right now. I wasn't planning on making a video on this on Sunday. Recently, if you've noticed, on Sundays I don't make videos on YouTube, but I had to make this video. Call it an emergency video, call it whatever you want. I wanted to make a few points real quick that I think people are losing or not. They're not reminded, or it doesn't even go through their brains at all. Nothing, because right now in social media, the trend is to talk about the worst of the worst, make everything miserable, present the end of the world, because that's going to get a lot of views, period. It's going to get a lot of views. The same thing for big channels. I'm not talking about YouTubers. It's also the big channels also, whether it's on TV or their YouTube channels or whatever. Yes, I understand that the whole SVB thing going on and its subsidiaries in the UK and whatever, and the whole contagious, is it going to spread on to other banks? What happens with companies that get, they get their money locked in and so on? I understand that that's not a pretty thing, and I'm not going to make it look like there's nothing going on, it's all good, don't listen to them. Yes, it's, this is something extremely serious, but you're also looking at someone who's been through a country that defaulted in 2015. Greece. I live in Greece. In 2015, Greece defaulted on its debt. We had, you should have seen the social media videos and the big channels in 2015 here in Greece. You know what the image, what they portrayed? If you would have listened to them, you would have been, losing your mind. It was just the end of the world. That was it. It was like, you would think that we're done forever and ever. It wasn't as tragic as they made it out to be. The point why I made this video real quick is for one thing. Don't just listen to misery. Yes, listen to what they, whatever you want to listen to and how they portray what's going on right now. I get it. That's fine. But you keep in the back of your mind, keep in your mind more on an activated form, let's say, that we're about to enter possibly another stunning lifetime opportunity to make money. The rich make most of their money during a crisis. They don't make their money when the market is running off on a bull market. You have to understand, you have to seriously understand that if you go into a store and the jean you want to buy is $100 and the price starts rising, 110, 120, what are you going to say? Let it go higher and I'll buy it? No, you want the discount, right? The discounts is where the money is made. There were millionaires and then billionaires, new millionaires been made in the 2020 pandemic. Bill Ackman said $47 billion were taken out of SVB Bank before the news came out. $47 billion, and guess what? That was the largest bank run in U.S. history. What does that tell you? The largest bank run in U.S. history in 2023, when we're supposedly going through a bad economic conditions already prior to the SVB news coming out. Right? We had bad economic conditions, inflation, unemployment, and supply chain constraints and all that stuff. Yet $47 billion came out of SVB Bank, making it the largest bank run in U.S. history. What does that tell you? That there's a lot of money going on out there, a lot more than you think there is, or you are being led to believe. Companies are making money a lot. All right, there's good earnings and so on. Now, as far as why the Fed paints a picture of the economy being bad, because the economy, it is bad. It's not perfect, but they also have to bring in some type of recession in order to rein in inflation. Overall, guys, 2020 came. We were told through social media and TV that it's misery, it's this, it's that, look at that, the markets are going to crash and all this stuff, and when your mind would just thought that, I need to stay away, I'm doomed, I lost my money and I don't want to put no more money into the markets, I need to run away and I don't know what I'm going to do to save myself. But yet 2020, if you would have bought while the markets were crashing, or on May where we're near towards the bottom and so on, then after that, you had the opportunity to go on one of the greatest bull runs in history, right? I'm not saying that we're going to have the greatest bull run in history version 2.0 coming soon. I think the markets are going to go worse, right? The market's going to go worse. There's possibly going to be more banks having issues just like SVB and so on, and then companies having issues because their money is locked into the banks, and are we going to get our money back? And is Janet Yellen really, does she really mean it if she says, when she says they're not going to bail out SVB and so on? The thing is, though, you have to understand that if you have cash, and you're still working and you still want to trade on the markets, but you're really scared because from what you see on the social media, on TV, you have to understand that as the markets get worse, the opportunity for you to build wealth, the opportunity for you to make money is getting better and better and better. Value stocks right now, as I speak, value stocks in the US right now are very reasonably priced. In my opinion, the value stock sector is going to outperform going forward. And now the U.S. markets are overvalued. All right, so I'm not saying that the U.S. stocks are not, they're all dirt cheap and they are overvalued, but the value stocks are not. Look at Warren Buffett, for example. Warren Buffett has been trading for so long. He's very successful, and he's not dumb in any way, shape, or form. He knows the markets inside out. He knows math better than us. He knows everything. When it comes to investing. And in 2023, he invested in Occidental Petroleum. 2023, where some geniuses are saying, well, the S&P 500, the Dow Jones, and this and that, they've gone up so much higher since 2020, and they're bound to crash. Don't buy anything. We're doomed in this and that. What did Warren Buffett say so many times? I don't care what the market conditions are. If you ask me what the market conditions are, I'm going to tell you, I don't know, I don't care. Intelligent Investor, the book. Always find the best of the best at a very valuable, a very good price. They're trading at a super cheap price. Doesn't matter what the market conditions. If there is a stock that is good and it's trading really cheap, Warren Buffett will buy it. Occidental Petroleum, for example, right? So overall, just don't be so scared. Don't be so afraid. I'm not telling you to go throw your money in the markets right now. I'm not, like I said, I think that starting Monday, I think we should still wait, see where everything leads to. But as the markets get worse, there's going to be more social media. There's going to be more channels bombarding you with the end of the world and this and that. When in fact, while you're scared, smart money is going to set itself up for more money in the future, right? So don't be more relaxed or control your emotions, basically. Control your emotions. Never get out of the market, as Peter Lynch said. Just, take out the noise, focus, and do some good investing. Do real smart investing, and you'll be fine. So don't be afraid. You'll be fine. Everything will be well. There's always a bull run following a downturn in the market. So the downturn is the one we want to take advantage of and not be afraid of it and run away from it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. Take care.